Aloware sequences are everything you need to stop missing leads and automate your team's responses to prospects. Connect instantly with every new lead via voice call or SMS and crush your speed to lead metrics. Here's how it works. To get started, find the Sequences tab in your dashboard and click that. Here you'll see a list of all existing sequences along with their active status. To create a new one, just click New Sequence on the top right-hand corner of your screen, and then you'll give it a name, a brief description. You can choose how often you want it to run, every day or just on business days. You can choose to deploy it on national holidays as well, or leave that box unchecked if you don't want it to run on holidays. Then you also want to select the line that you would like to use. And then you have different opt-out options as well. So you can remove leads if they respond and take them out of the queue. You can remove leads if they opt out for compliance purposes. And then when you're happy with your options, just save and continue. And now you want to add your steps. So in this case, I want to send an SMS message right after every new form submission. So I just select that option. Here you can implement a delay if you would like to. You can set the amount of time it takes for that SMS message to follow up on the form submission. So if you click no delay, that will be an instant speed to lead. It will send the SMS message immediately after the form is submitted. Or if you'd like a default delay, you can choose that option as well. So here's where you add the actual content of the text message, and we do have a tool that allows you to optimize content for deliverability and to abide by carrier regulations. That's called our SMS length calculator. I'll show you guys that in just a second, but let's assume we've already done that. For now, we can add a variable to personalize the message if we would like. That's a really nice way to add that personal touch and increase the engagement with the text. So you can put in the contact's first name, last name, email, etc. Or you can just draw from a template that you've previously created. So in this case, I already have a template that I like. I'm just simply going to copy that text and I'm going to paste it right here. And then I'm simply going to add that step. So now every time a new form submission comes in via our website or a specified channel, that SMS message will blast automatically to that contact within just a few minutes of their delivery. And to continue the sequence, all you have to do is click Add Step to put in the next step in the progression. So I can choose to add that contact to a progressive dialer, preview dialer, or a power dialer. There's an option later on, so you do have flexibility there. If you don't have one of our integrated CRMs, you can easily send an email based on a webhook and integrate with your custom CRM. So that is very easy and possible to do. You can send a ringless voicemail. Here's the power dialer option I mentioned. So you can remove that person from a power dialer as well. So you really do have a ton of flexibility here to continue that outreach sequence automatically without your team having to expend any manual effort. And here's where you can start an Allo AI conversation, which is really great if you want to qualify that lead. So you can choose to launch our AI voice agent on that person to just kind of keep that contact engaged and keep making sure that they are a good fit for your business. Here's our free tool, the SMS length calculator. So if you paste your message in the space here, you can see exactly how many segments it contains. If the carriers will split it up into multiple segments, you can see the max segment length here, which is just 160 characters, the encoding type, and also the estimated cost according to your Aloware plan. So if I'm going to paste a message here, for example, it's a nice friendly message, just optimizing speed to lead and following up right away. As you can see, it will split up into two segments, which is not ideal. We don't want that. And that's due to the emoji actually at the end, believe it or not. So if we remove that emoji here, we can see that not only does the segment length go down to 1, but the price goes down as well. So it really helps you tailor your messages for optimized deliverability and for impact, because we always want to keep our communications nice and concise. Whether you're in sales or marketing, you can send carrier optimized SMS messages instantly to all new leads and kickstart productive conversations.